Hi everybody. I want to talk to you a little bit about caring for the Svengali deck, taking good care of it. The thing is, this is a special deck of cards. When it does wear out, you're going to have to get a new one if you want to keep doing the tricks with it. If you're using good quality ones, like made out of bicycle cards like this, it shouldn't wear out really fast. Some of the toy store ones, because they're made on thinner paper, they may end up wearing out. But one thing I want to mention that's important is as you're flipping the cards, you don't want to be putting a lot of bend in them. You just don't want to be putting them under too much pressure. Just enough to get them to flip like that. Okay? And keep your cards in the box when you're not using them. Keep them in the case. If you want to put this in a plastic bag or whatever, this is a piece of magical equipment. It is a piece of apparatus, so take care of it. Now, these aren't horribly expensive, but still, you don't want to be spending money on them if you don't have to. It's not the kind of thing you can go make yourself, because it's hard to do without some pretty special tools. So take care of your Svengali deck. Make sure your hands are clean. Make sure you're not bending it too much.